Guys, so I feel like this vlog is gonna be all over the place, but basically we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I need to get a couple things for my brother and his fiance's little party that we're doing for them because they just got engaged. And after that we're gonna go check out this bookstore that just opened. We've been wanting to go for weeks now, but we haven't had the time until now, so we're gonna do that as well today. A lot because then I have to come back and set up everything for tomorrow's little party thing. So yeah, let's see how much I get done today. So let's see if I can find anything. I got these ones, but I think we're gonna do gold. There's these ones. That's cute. They have some fun little signs here. The what?
I think anime has a piece.
Oh damn.
Copper no cop. Copper no cop.
What is that little Lego thing?
What little thing?
What do you think of these ones? No? They don't look cute? Oh, they have Rainbow Sea. Oh, they have Star Wars.
Look.
Do these ones look cute or no?
Look.
What? Oh, they do have. How much are they right now?
I don't know.
For this part of the video, I wanted to quickly do a voiceover as I'm showing you guys the store. Basically, my brother and I agreed that yes, it's pretty cool, but we don't really agree with some of the prices just because he does shop around like Mercari, eBay, when certain items are sold out from the store or they're not being mass produced anymore. So, you know, we kind of have an idea like what's worth it and not when it comes to like collectibles, especially, you know, when it's out of the box, right? I feel like it does lose its value, and even more if it looks damaged, you know what I mean? So this store has a lot of things. I'm telling you, like, it's so cool. But so there was this wall of like bags, like clear bags of figurines, keychains, everything that's there, it's used, right? So they do give you, I guess, like a discount, but even that, I didn't really find that it was worth it. Honestly, there was this like bookmark that was marked for this one that you're seeing right now on the screen. This big wall is full of used items. There was this bookmark that was $3. I didn't think it was worth it. I think I would pay like less than $1 for it, to be honest with you. But yeah, and then lastly, they do sell also like movies, DVDs, music, like albums. They had a small section of K-pop albums. I did see a couple BTS ones, and to be honest with you, I also found that a little bit overpriced because, like, let's be real, right? The albums have value because of the photo cards, right? And so all of these albums are used. They don't have the photo cards anymore. So selling a proof album for $15 when you could get a new one with the photo cards for $20, you know what I mean? It doesn't really make sense. But yeah, we liked like looking around, but we didn't end up buying anything. So yep. Okay, so quickly, what I bought from Hobby Lobby was the cake topper. I thought it was super cute, so I got this one. I'm gonna decorate some cupcakes right now with gold, and I got these big rings for them. And lastly, my brother got himself the Pokemon character Funko Pop. Hobby Lobby has a little small section, but if, you know, if you're doing like a last minute gift shopping, check it out because they have some cool anime stuff there too, and the pricing also, it's not that bad. So yeah. Okay, so quickly, I'm gonna cut these out and assemble it. So I have this little scratch off game. They had to find the bride and groom and then win a prize. So yeah, you can buy these scratch off stickers on Amazon. I'll link everything down below. I'll also have the file on my blog for you to download for free if you're interested. And then the second game is this he said she said like trivia game of the bride and groom. So yeah, so let me quickly stir up with these ones. So yeah, this is how they turned out, and a little trivia game. So yeah, now let's go set up the main table. We're gonna take pictures. So it's the next day. We finished setting up last night, like around midnight, just having everything, all the tables and the display up. But yeah, we'll end the video with kind of showing you guys the whole setup. I know it's very simple, but I like it though. Again, it's just a small little get together, her family and our family. But yeah, and then lastly, like I said earlier, I will be giving you guys a free download of the templates if you're interested in them. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'll also be attaching the Thanksgiving one that I did last year for our Thanksgiving dinner. I'm telling you, these little scratch off games are so much fun, super easy to make. You can buy the stickers, the scratch off stickers already pre-cut in different sizes, colors, shapes. But also you could buy the sheets and have your cutting machine cut it a certain size if you need it in a specific size. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, let's go. Adding the finishing touches. The desserts are probably not gonna be out until they get here, but yeah, so let me quickly give you guys an overview of the whole setup. I'm honestly obsessed with this. Also, letting you guys know, Hobby Lobby does have sales, so just be on the lookout for their ads, because I bought this regular price, which is like $25, but even then I still think it's really pretty. You know, you could keep it as a memory, but yeah, you could definitely get this like 50% off when they're on sale. But anyways, okay, so here's an overview. It's very simple, but I love it. Again, it's just a small little thing that we're doing, her family and our family, to celebrate the engagement. So yeah, anyways, that's all for today's vlog. See you in the next one. Bye guys.